Welcome. Let's play around with the differences between the uterovesical pouch and the rectouterine pouch. Let's use this image by the side to illustrate where these two pouches are located. This is where we have the uterus here, arrowed in purple. Anterior to the uterus is where we have the uterovesical pouch that is arrowed here in green. This uterovesical pouch, just from here breaking down the name, it means it is a recess or a space that is located between the urinary bladder anteriorly and also the uterus posteriorly. And that is why it is so named the uterovesical pouch. Utero means uterus and vesical means urinary bladder. If you go more posteriorly behind the uterus is where we have the rectouterine pouch. This rectouterine pouch is a space or recess that is located between the rectum and also the uterus. And this is why it is also so named the rectouterine pouch. Recto from rectum and uterine from the uterus. So before we dive into the differences between these two pouches, let's try and establish the similarities that they exhibit. These two pouches are seen in female. If you look at the names of these two pouches, the uterovesical pouch and the rectouterine pouch, if you break down the names of these two pouches, you see that they have uterine in them, which means that they are related to the uterus. And we know that in male, we do not have the uterus. So these two pouches are only seen in the female. The uterovesical pouch and the rectouterine pouch form superior connection with the peritoneal cavity. If you look at these two pouches in the anterior and the posterior region of the uterus, above this region where they are formed, they are seen to be continuous with the peritoneal cavity. And this is the form of similarities that they present. So these are the similarities that the uterovesical pouch and also the rectouterine pouch presents. So let's use this slide in establishing the differences between these two pouches. We try to use this image by the side. This is where we say we have the uterovesical pouch in the anterior part of the uterus. But behind the uterus, we have the rectouterine pouch. So let's go through this table where we'll be establishing or explaining further on the differences between these two pouches. For the uterovesical pouch, it is seen to be anteriorly bounded by the urinary bladder. If you go back to this image, this is where we say we have the uterovesical pouch here, carried in yellow. And if you go to the anterior region of this pouch, you see that the structure that you have around this space is the urinary bladder. While the rectouterine pouch that is located behind the uterus is seen to be anteriorly bounded by the uterus. And if you go more inferiorly around this region, you see that the vaginal fornix, specifically the posterior fornix of the vagina, is seen to be bordering the rectouterine pouch in the anterior region. Because inferior to the uterus, the structure that you have inferior to it is the vagina. If you look at the anterior alignment of the rectouterine pouch, at this upper region, we have the uterus. And at this lower anterior region here, you have the posterior fornix of the vagina. So these are the two structures that are related to the anterior region of the rectouterine pouch. Then the next differences that we have is the structure that forms the posterior alignment of these two pouches. For the uterovesical pouch, in the posterior region, the structure that you have is the uterus. Remember when we started, we said that the uterovesical pouch is located between the urinary bladder anteriorly and posteriorly we have the uterus. So posteriorly it is bounded by the uterus. Then if you go to the posterior rectouterine pouch that is located behind the uterus, see that the structure that you have posterior to it is the rectum. And this is where you have the rectum here carried at this point. So you see that these two pouches are bounded anteriorly and posteriorly by different structures. Then if you talk in terms of their alignment or their size, you see that the uterovesical pouch is smaller while the rectouterine pouch is larger. And this is attributed to the position of the uterus. We know that generally the uterus is seen to be antevertedly placed over the urinary bladder. It is also seen to be antiflexed over the structure. And because of this alignment, it is seen to be pushed more towards the anterior abdominal wall. This is why you see that the uterovesical pouch is smaller in terms of size because the uterus is seen to be pushed over into this space. And this is where it is chopping into this region. And this is what makes the space of the uterovesical pouch smaller. What behind where we have the rectouterine pouch, because of the antevertedly placed position of the uterus over the urinary bladder, it is seen to be creating more space around this posterior region. And this is why you see that the rectouterine pouch is larger in terms of configuration. So these are the differences that I have highlighted between the uterovesical pouch and also the rectouterine pouch. I've tried to put up a lecture on these two pouches. If you've not checked up those lectures, please kindly go and do so to keep yourself updated. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you find this useful.